kind of heavy, so I'm gonna rip it open. Dun, dun, dun. Hey everyone, what's going on? I know why you're here. You want to see what this $10 million award looks like. I'm so excited because I remember in front of 4,800 people-ish at the FHL event, and getting these awards, it just meant so much to me because I remember, when I first started off online, I would see all these people, making 100 grand a year, 100 grand a month, $1 million a year, $10 million. And I was like, wow, if I could just make $10 million, this is the most amazing thing ever. And so, I wanted to just share this moment with you because it's pretty special. And I'm gonna just unbox, I'm gonna show you what this looks like, what it feels like. And let's just get on with it, because honestly, I'm just so pumped. I was very fortunate. I hit my first $10 million in sales when I was around 26. And then from 26 to 29, in those 3 years, I did around over $20 million in sales. And so it's provided me my dream life. I want to give a big shout out to all my friends, Russell Brunson, some of my mentors as well who helped me. You know who you are. And so with that being said, let's get straight into it. What's up, everyone? So I am super pumped to share with you guys what this $10 million ClickFunnels award looks like. All right, so if you're ready, I'm ready, right? And it's funny because I remember earlier this year, so many of my friends, they had got their awards, and then because they live in America and stuff, they got their awards early, and mine took a few months, around 6 months later to receive. And so they just came in the morning, and I thought it would be so dope, basically unbox this thing live. So I'm gonna just check if this is live. We had the COVID, and because of that, I couldn't get these awards. So I've been waiting, and I'm just so pumped. So with that being said, you guys, I am gonna show you what it looks like. This is it. Okay, it's kind of heavy, so I'm gonna rip it open. Dun, dun, dun. All right, let's open it up. And if you can see, this is what it looks like, you guys. Okay, the top is a little bit cracked, I think, but I'm gonna show you guys anyway. Ouch. Okay, there you go. This is what it looks like. Dun, dun, dun. All right, so that's what it looks like. I'm gonna lift it up. And this is for $10 million in sales that one of my businesses produced. Wow. MashaAllah. All praise to the Lord Almighty. All right. Now, here's the cool part. This is just one. I have another one, which is, there you go. This one's here. Dun, dun, dun. All right, so from now on, all my videos are gonna have this background. Okay, one is for wealthacademy.com, and this one is for funnels.com. By the way, Russell Brunson, thank you very much. Okay, what I'm most excited about, if I can just put this on. Okay, what I'm actually most excited, I had no idea it was gonna be this hard to take this thing off. But what I'm most excited is this Saturday, okay, the frame is coming off a little bit. This Saturday, my dad is coming over, okay? He has no idea. So I'm gonna explain to him what these awards are, and he is gonna be super happy. Okay, that's what's important, making sure that your family and your loved ones really like what you do, okay? At the end of the day, I think that's what success is making sure that the people that are close to you appreciate and love you for who you are. And not that my parents love me for me being successful, but this is just a little recognition or a reminder of what's possible when you work hard, when you pray, when you're persistent, when you're disciplined, when you're willing to do the hard things that most people aren't willing to do. Now, I was very fortunate these two awards actually, when I was 26, I had made my first $10 million in sales. And before I turned 30, I did over $30 million in sales, right? And two of my main businesses, funnels.com, wealthacademy.com. Like, I remember some of the times where I just had like absolutely no idea what I was doing. I mean, I had like, at one point I had like 54 staff. You know, I had no experience with hiring, leadership development, like just so many things. And I just remember like, I just pushed through, you know what I mean? I just said, hey, like things are hard and I will just figure out how to take responsibility, how to find the mentors, how to ask for help. So many times I had to just like go back, and even till now, right? Like I go back and I am a student. I'm a student of the game. I'm a student. Wow, this is this is actually really huge. It's kind of heavy as well, somewhat heavy. I gotta fix the frame because it has come from all the way from America. So anyway, thanks for enjoying this special moment with me, and to all of my clients that have supported me throughout the last 5-10 years, however long you guys have been with me. It's because of you guys that this is possible, right? Like I can provide as much value as possible, but the only, as my mentor Dan Sullivan would say, the only true vote of confidence is when people pay with their wallets, right? When they write you a check. And so I just want to say, if you're watching this and you're one of my clients, wherever you're watching this, I really appreciate you for being part of the Wealth Academy family, the funnels.com family. So thank you so much. God bless you guys. And I will catch up with you soon. Hey everyone, thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed that video as much as I did making that video. And I just want to say, firstly, make sure you hit the smash button, the subscribe button, the like button, everything down below, because I'm really putting a big effort on YouTube this year. And a lot of people, you know, when they see me win these awards and how I've grown my business from zero to tens of millions of dollars, they ask me, hey, how can we work together? Well, there's a couple of options that I do offer, and I don't want to make this into a long pitch video. Not that I have anything against pitches. I love selling. So in regards to what I can offer, there's going to be a few links down below. You know, if you're starting off and you're trying to build your first six-figure business, I have an option for that. Just check the description below, or just go to wealthacademy.com/challenge. It's a nice, easy way for people to come into my world, essentially. And if you're someone who's already, you know, you've got somewhat of a successful business, maybe you're hovering around the six-figure level or the seven-figure level, and you want to get to 7 figures in profit or 8 figures in profit, then be sure to inquire and check out what I have for my inner circle. I take on 10 clients each month, and you're going to be speaking to me directly. I'll be literally calling you to see if you'd qualify for my inner circle. The spots are super limited, obviously, because it's my personal time, but I limit it to around 8 to 10 people every single month, okay? And so I'd love to see if you'd be a perfect fit. Other than that, listen, I hope you enjoyed that video. Listen, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.